Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Ferris Media, where today we will be disassembling a Villiers Mark 12 small engine and getting it ready for painting, primer and the first coat of colour on the cowling and fuel tank. Part 1 is as mentioned. Part 2 we'll be painting the block, cleaning the carburetor, cleaning up the exhaust and getting it ready for reassembly. Part 3 will be reassembly and testing it. This part will be only 5 minutes long, unlike the previous video which was 2 hours and 10 minutes, which is a bit too long for some people, so I'm condensed it down and made it a bit more accessible. So sit back and enjoy, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching part 1 of 3 of restoring this Mark 12 Villiers engine. In the next episode, we will be cleaning and painting the block, cleaning the carburetor, wire brushing the exhaust, and getting it ready for reassembly. I'll see you then.